Hello friends, welcome back to HMS Aviary. In this video, I will share the tips to breed Monk Parrots. Firstly, choose a healthy mature bonded pair at least 1.5 to 2 years old for breeding. Provide spacious cage to fly and feel secure. My Monk Parrot breeding cage size is 4 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet and nest box size is 12 by 12 by 18 inches. Monk has special characteristics. They love to build nesting, so provide them coconut sticks. They'll add them to the nest box. A nutrient-rich diet is very important for breeding healthy chicks. So provide them sprouts, fresh vegetables, fruits and cuttlebone are very good during breeding time. Monk parakeets are very protective to their chicks. So limit the disturbance near the nest box to avoid stress. With the right care, Monk parakeet pair can raise happy, healthy chicks. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more parrot breeding tips. Thank you for watching.